Some people grow older, but their dreams grow younger, because they never gave them a chance to live. Don't let that happen to you. Never give up. Saw an old man on a wooden chair, holding dreams that never got there. He looked at me with tear-filled eyes, said, don't let your future pass you by. He had talent, he had skill, but fear kept climbing every hill.